you guys, I'm back with another video, and this might be a little short day in my life vlog because I don't really be doing nothing and my life is pretty boring. Got this microphone right here so you guys can hear me. So I'm probably not gonna do much today, probably just gonna work out and then pre-record a video and then clean up the house probably, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, right now I'm finna work out because that's what I do when I wake up. Yep, that's what I'm finna do right now, and I will get back with you guys when I'm done. Just got done working out and now I'm about to pre-record a video and you guys how I get ready and my setup. Here we go. So I think I'm gonna wear a wig because my hair looks a mess and I don't feel like styling it or nothing, so I'm just wear this wig. Story, this is what I use for my beauty videos, like makeup videos or whatever. So the charger piece, charge it because the little piece in there, it like moved around somewhere, so can't use this anymore. So I just got done doing a video and it almost went to fail because the way my setup is, I don't have a table, so I couldn't see what I was doing and I was like rushing because I don't want my phone to die and I don't want to run out of storage. We'll see how the video turns out when I edit it. Well, I'm about to charge my phone because it's about to die, and I'm gonna clean it for you guys when I come back. decided not to clean up because the house not that dirty. And so right now it's like 4 o'clock. Off my makeup and hair and stuff, and now I'm just chilling. Hopefully I will be able to do videos, like more videos soon. I'm still trying to work on myself and my confidence. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not, welcome back to another video, and I will see you guys in my next video.